So here we're told that the absolute value of z is less than or equal to 1. So on the number line, what this means is that z is a number that falls between -1 and 1 inclusive, because we have an equal here. So z could be any of these numbers. And the question is, which of the following statements must be true, meaning for all values of z? So A is z squared is less than or equal to 1. So any of these numbers, you'll notice that both sides, we either have negative fractions, positive fractions. When we square, they both would shrink. So for example, if z is half, z squared would be 1/4. So yes, that would hold true. If you take z as -1/3, you square it, that's 1/9, also less than or equal to 1. And so A must always be true. Now B is z squared is less than or equal to z. Now if you go on the negative side here, for example, if z is -half, z squared is going to be positive 1/4, but it's no longer going to be less than z, which is negative itself. So B is out. So I can use an example to eliminate these choices, because they're saying must be. C is z cubed is less than or equal to z. So if I'm on this side, if say z is half, so we have 1/8, which is less than half. But what about on the negative side? If z is -half, z cubed would be -1/8. And how does that compare to -half? -1/8 is actually greater, because if you look on the number line, 0 to -1, -1/8 is going to be closer to 0, whereas -half would be here. So -8 is greater, so that example violates this. So that one is also out. So the answer is A only.